Did you know that Trump's latest tax plan could impact over 150 Americans? Some could save thousands, while others might see their tax bills skyrocket. What side are you on? Let's break it all down. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Jonathan Wood. Today we're taking an in-depth look at Trump's tax plan and what it could mean for your wallet. Whether you're an everyday worker, a small business owner, or a real estate investor, this plan has implications for everyone. This isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about how you plan for your future. With the right strategies, you could save a lot of money, but without preparation, you might be leaving money on the table, or worse, paying more than you need to. Let's rewind a bit. Back in 2017, Trump signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act into law, which is one of the most sweeping tax reforms in decades. It lowered corporate tax rates, doubled the standard deduction, and introduced significant changes to individual tax brackets. But not everything worked as planned. While some saw major savings, others, especially those in high tax states, felt the pinch from limits on state and local tax deductions. Now, Trump's proposing new changes aimed at building on that foundation. The big questions are, who do they benefit, and how does this impact the federal budget? Trump's plan seeks to lower the top marginal tax rate from 37% to 33%. This sounds great for high earners, but what about the middle class? Consolidating tax brackets might simplify filing, but it could also shift tax burdens in ways most people don't expect. The standard deduction, which doubled in 2017, might increase again, potentially giving families more upfront savings. However, rumors suggest some itemized deductions, like those for state and local taxes, could face further restrictions. This could be a big deal for homeowners or high-income earners. One major feature in the proposal to drop the corporate tax rate further from 21% to 15%. Small business owners could see significant savings, but critics argue that this might increase the national debt. For example, if you're a small business owner generating $300,000 annually, this could mean a savings an extra $18,000 a year. But will this translate to higher wages for employees or just more profits for owners? Here's how we was able to save a client $40,000 in taxes by implementing this one strategy. We started with implementing professional bookkeeping for her business. This allowed us to track her monthly performance and uncover some opportunities to lower her tax bill. You can't save what you can't see. This is what it's like working with a tax strategist. Click the link below to schedule your free discovery call today and see how we can do the same for you. High earners, particularly those in lower tax states, could see the biggest benefits. Middle-class families might experience the modest savings, but the elimination of certain deductions could offset those gains. Meanwhile, low-income families may see little change unless refundable credits are expanded. The plan aims to stimulate the economic growth by putting more money in the hands of businesses and consumers, but critics argue this could widen income inequality and strain the federal budget. Will the benefits trickle down to workers through higher wages and job creation? How will the government address rising deficits if tax revenues decrease? Dr. James Smith, a tax policy expert, says the proposed corporate tax cuts could boost investment, but the question remains whether this will translate to long-term economic growth. I welcome the lower rates, says John, a local coffee shop owner, but I'm concerned about the lack of clarity on how much this impacts deductions I rely on. Trump's tax plan promises to lower rates, simplify the system, and boost economic growth. But as with many major policy changes, there are winners and losers. The key takeaway: understanding these changes and planning ahead is the best way to protect your finances. Whether you're a business owner, a homeowner, or just trying to maximize your take-home pay, this plan will affect you. Don't wait until tax season to figure out. Start preparing now. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Trump's tax plan is a step in the right direction, or does it raise more questions than answers? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video very helpful, make sure you check out my other videos on tax strategies for small business owners and real estate investors. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on how to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Till next time.